Hello everyone, welcome to SupremeGIS. In this video, we will learn about how to download SRTM DEM in QGIS. So first we have to register ourselves in EarthDATA Login. You have to go to this website called EarthDATA Login. I'll show you. Mm. Just click on this EarthDATA Login. Register for a profile. Click on this and give your information, profile information and user information, and continue. You will get an email for verification. Verify that and you will log in into the earth data login system. Now go back to the QGIS and go to plugins, manage and install plugins. For this exercise and for this tutorial, you need to have two plugins called HCMGIS and SRTM Downloader. Why we need HCMGIS? Because if we don't have any shapefile or location or any raster of our area, then we just go to this and will find out our area of interest. And next plugin what we need, SRTM downloader for downloading this DEM. Just search here and install these two plugins. As I already have, so I need to check them. See, I need to check them. Okay, close. HCM GIS will appear here and SRTM downloader will appear in the plugin section. So I don't have any shapefile of my area. So what I need to do, click on HCM GIS, go to Google Maps, and I'll browse up to my area. Zoom in. See, this is somewhere near Bhopal. So yeah, this is my area of interest for which I need a DEM, SRTM DEM. So I have set my extent up to this, and now I'll go to the plugin called SRTM Downloader and click on this SRTM Downloader. Now set canvas extent, click on this and click on download. See here number of images will come. This as you are a first time user, you will get this. You have to put your username and password over here and click OK in EarthDATA Login, which you have done it before. Okay, then it will show the progress. There is only one image. Okay, close it. See how easy it is. Now, if you want to reproject this DEM, first check its properties. It is in geographic coordinate reference system, and we have to project it in UTM zone. Then go to the raster, go to projection, var reproject. Then source, we know this is by default, it is this, and we have to change it to UTM. Just click on this and here it is no CRS. Click on predefined CRS and write in the filter zone WGS 84 and select projected. Click on this and select universe Cell transmitter Mercator UTM and click on drop down. Here you will find it, the UTM zones. Uh, the UTM zone of my area is 43 north, so I'm selecting this and run. That's it. I hope you like this video and find it valuable and useful for your project. Please like, share, and subscribe SupremeGIS. Thank you. See.